Right then, more welding on this bulkhead. Let's have a quick look at the damage. A nice hole here that goes through to the cab. Nice hole here that goes through to the cab. Somebody's repaired this before. It's all solid under here, but it's just not up to snuff. It's all rusted up here, no doubt it's knackered up here. Let's get into it then. So, doing the driver's side footwell is a bit more tricky than doing the passenger side. So obviously we've got things like accelerator cables, brake master cylinders, clutch master cylinders, and of course the pedals themselves. So we better start stripping it all off, I think. Right then, strip down is complete. Everything's unbolted, aside from the check strap and this chassis bracket. It's been welded, so I'm going to have to cut it when I cut everything else out. Steering's off enough, you don't need to take it fully out if you don't want to. I've managed to get the brake master cylinder out without disconnecting the pipes, which is good. So join me in the next one when we find out what this plate's all about. Thanks for watching.